broads. This episode, it's a video I recorded last year. I had a video to go up today, but I can't find the file. So what I've got a file or a video from last year that I went drifting at, and then I'm gonna play that right now in a few minutes, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys after it's done. So I hope you enjoy it. Next week it's gonna be back to normal videos. There's a drift event this weekend, so if you guys see me, come say hi. I'll be flagging because I'm not taking the car. It's supposed to be an ice storm, so I'm gonna play the other clip right now, and then I'll be back after it's done. Been drifting for a while?
Yeah. He hasn't taken this car out a lot, so he wants to know how it handles before he goes on the... Jumped and broke a leg.
Now, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, it was from last year, but any video is better than nothing, right? I want to thank all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. And the original subscribers, well, you guys are the best. You guys are the original Ignited Squad. That's what I'm going to call you guys, Ignited Squad. And we'll come up with some stickers. So if you guys got any ideas, hit me in the comments down below and we'll go from there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see you on the next one next week. Later.